no. Did we just miss the bus?
Yeah, it left just a minute ago.
I ran so fast, but still missed it.
Same here. I saw it moving while I was crossing the road.
Now what should we do?
Maybe wait for the next one. It usually comes in 15 minutes.
Oh, that's long. I'll be late for class again.
Me too. My teacher always looks at me like I'm the laziest student.
Same. My attendance is already low.
Looks like we both have the same problem.
Do you come by this bus every day?
Yeah, mostly. What about you?
Yes, every day. But today overslept.
Me too. My alarm rang, but I ignored it.
We both need better discipline.
Yeah, or faster legs.
True. The bus didn't even wait a second.
Yeah, that driver has no mercy.
10 minutes more, right?
Yeah, let's hope this time we catch it. So, which college do you go to?
Greenfield College. You?
Same, I'm in second year.
Oh, really? Me too.
What's your major?
English literature.
Wow, same again, that's funny.
Maybe we were in the same class and never noticed.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you like the morning classes?
Nope, I hate waking up early.
Me too. My brain works only after 10 a.m.
Ha ha, I feel you.
You look sleepy even now.
I didn't even eat breakfast.
Oh no, that's bad. You'll faint before class.
Maybe the tea stall can save me.
Go grab a tea.
Only if you join me.
Okay, deal.
This tea smells so good.
Yeah. Morning tea is magic.
True, now I feel awake.
See. I told you. Tea can save anyone.
You were right. Thanks for the idea.
You're welcome. You look less sleepy now.
Maybe because I met a cheerful person.
Oh, really? You talk sweet.
No, I mean it. You made my morning better.
That's nice to hear.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, when I miss the bus.
So, missing the bus isn't always bad.
Yeah, maybe it brings new friends.
I hope so.
Hey, look. The bus is coming.
Really? Finally.
Yeah, we waited so long.
I thought it would never come.
Let's go quickly.
Wait, I need to finish my tea.
You and your tea.
Ha, okay, done?
Come fast, the bus will leave.
I'm coming, don't worry.
Do you always miss buses like this?
Not always, only on special days.
Today is a special day then.
Yeah, because I met you.
That's a smooth line.
Not a line, just the truth.
Okay, let's stand in the line now.
Yeah, I hope we get seats this time.
If not, we can still talk standing.
That's fine with me.
You talk too much, you know.
Only when the company is good.
All right, let's catch this bus before it goes.
Yes, let's go. Finally, we got seats.
Yeah, lucky us.
The bus is so crowded today.
Maybe everyone got late like us.
Yeah, maybe we started a trend.
Haha, don't say that.
do you travel by bus every day?
Yes, I don't like walking far.
Same here. I live 2 stops away.
Oh, that's close. I live near the city park.
Nice area. I've been there once.
Really? It's beautiful in the evening.
Yeah, I saw the lights and food stalls.
I love the ice cream there.
Me too. Maybe we'll meet there someday.
Who knows? Maybe.
You talk nicely. I feel easy talking to you.
That's sweet. You're friendly too.
This bus ride doesn't feel boring at all.
Because we are talking nonstop.
Yeah, time passes fast when you talk to someone good.
Haha, I agree.
Oh, my stop is coming soon.
Mine too.
Okay, after class, we can have tea again.
Maybe. Let's see.
Haha, that's not a no.
Okay, we'll see later. Hey, you're still here.
Yeah, just came out. Your class got over late.
Yeah, the teacher kept talking even after the bell.
Classic. Mine ended 10 minutes ago.
Lucky you. I was starving inside.
Same here. I didn't even eat lunch properly.
Oh, really? Why?
The canteen was full. No place to sit.
Yes, same scene every day. Too crowded.
I just grabbed a samosa and ran back to class.
Samosa again. You really like it.
Yeah, it's my survival food.
You and your food stories.
Hey, at least I'm honest, so you heading home now?
Yeah, waiting for the bus.
Me too. Let's hope we don't miss it this time.
Please don't say that. I don't want another missed bus adventure.
Haha, true. But that adventure wasn't too bad, right?
Maybe not. The bus is taking forever again.
Maybe it knows we need time to talk.
You and your funny lines.
What? I'm serious this time.
So, how was your first day meeting me?
Honestly, it made my day better.
You always say nice things.
Because I mean them, you're easy to talk to.
Same here. It didn't even feel like we just met today.
Yeah, it felt like talking to an old friend.
Oh, there's the bus.
Finally, should we race again?
No running today.
Okay, let's walk together.
Thanks for the company.
Always welcome. So, tea again tomorrow.
Maybe. If we miss the bus again.
Then I hope we do.
You're impossible.
But, honest?
See you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.
Sometimes, missing a bus isn't really missing something. It's just finding a new story. I met a new friend today, and it made my day brighter. And that's how we can learn English too, through simple, everyday moments like this one. If you enjoyed this story, and if you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful English conversations. And if you have any doubts or questions, please comment below. I'll be happy to help you learn English through stories like this. See you in the next story.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.